Okay, Lumberman 2011 here. We're going to do some chicken and some pressure canning. So there's a dissecting. And we're going to trim off the excessive fat here on the ends. Get it. Stuff turns nasty. Cut it to strips. Cubes. And you get the drift. So we'll just keep on repeating that until we got a big pile. You got to break in a new store of this. These babies out of there. And get them sterilized. We'll be back. Well, I fill them up a little water in the pressure cooker. Canner. Dun, 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 dun. We'll put about 2.5 inches around there on the bottom. And then a dash of vinegar. I'll be back. Vinegar. That's to grow on. Hey guys. These jars out of a hot oven to sterilize them. Hot, hot, hot. Uh-oh. Need one more. Okay, I just washed my hands. We're filling these babies up. Bore you with the details here. Well, I'll get this one filled up here and then we'll shut you off and bring it back when it's all done. Actually, I'll use this air bubbles out. I'll be wiping down those rims, obviously, but you get the picture. We'll be back. Okay, I just dumped this in to vinegar. I'm going to seal or sanitize the rings. That is wiped clean vinegar. That sanitizes it. Then I'll be using some salt. Probably 1 tablespoon. 1 tablespoon. So I have it well cured. No disease growing in it, or bacteria, excuse me. I may go, I'm not doing a full tablespoon. Anyway, I'll just over there. Okay, good to go. I'll get my rings, they're starting to cook now, so I'm just getting them softened up. I'll be back. Okay, there's my rings in there, just simmering right now, so they're ready to go, and we're going to be putting this on. Okay, here goes nothing. Actually, somebody showed me a trick like this, and you just finger tighten it. Finger tighten it. You can see that. Kept it right on there. Finger tighten it. There we go, one more. And finger. Okay. That's 6. I have one more over here. I just got out of the oven, so I'm going to let that cool down and then fill that up, and I'll have 7 here for my Presto 23-quart pressure cooker. So that's 6 are done right there. Yeah, all right, not bad. So we'll be back. Okay, we're putting this last one on. Okay, now let's put this baby in here. Right in the middle. See them all nestled, all snug in their beds with vision of sugar plums dancing in their heads. Anyway, we'll put the top back on, and that'll be it, and then we'll bring her up to pressure. Be back. Okay, get this baby on there and lock down. And we'll crank that up to, I say to bring it up gradually to you know, till it starts steaming out. This right here, actually I had checked that before too when I cleaned it and washed it. But anyway, well, we'll bring this up to steam and let her vent for 10 minutes, and after it's really the water vapor's coming out, and we'll be on our way, and then 90 minutes after that. Talk to you later. Hey folks, that right there is all the trimmings there, and I'm going to boil that up and cook it, and then mix it in with some rice for my dog, so we'll have some dog food here for the next week or so. Anyway, we'll come back when that baby's cooked. Later. There we go, it's popped. I got it. I got it. Houston, we got it popped. Hey folks, we got some major venting going on, so we're gonna see if you can see that. 10 minutes, we're gonna count 10 minutes, and when that's done, we're gonna cap it off and bring it up to 11 pounds of pressure. Do that. Okay, it's been 10 minutes. There goes the pressure lid, and we'll wait 90 minutes now. Okay, 90 minutes. Counting. We'll be back. It's done, and it's slowly cooling down. So And the next one we'll be pulling these babies out, and it'll be done. Let them cool down and store them away. So that's almost the end of the vid. Here he goes. There you go. See it boiling. Sorry for the bouncy camera. There we go. My camera, my charging cord there, almost don't want to burn it. Here we go. Last one. And voila. 7 completed. Lumberman 2011 out with 7 quarts of chicken, just pressure can. Thank you. Have a good one.